Okay, this tutorial is to help you with your homework 1. Just a few questions on there I want to go over to give you a few tips to try and resolve. The first one says a ship leaves a harbour and travels 19 kilometres due west and then 33 kilometres due south. On what bearing must it travel to return to the harbour, to the nearest degree? So, if we start off with that question, due west means if this is the harbour here, it travels directly in the west direction, that's what due means, and that's a total of 19 kilometres. And then it reaches a point here, and then it goes 33 kilometres due south. So another point here. Now we're not drawing this to scale, we're going to be using trigonometry to try and work out the exact value. Now it's good, you want to work out what is the bearing of which it's got to travel back to the harbour, and this is where the ship is just now. So first of all, the north line goes straight up here, that's where north is. And that is the angle, theta, the ship has got to turn to get back to the harbour. So we've got to work out that angle. So using trigonometry, we label this side the opposite. There's a right angle there, because it was due west and then due south, so that means it will be a 90-degree angle there. This will be the hypotenuse, and the remaining side will be the adjacent. So if you write down so, ka, toa, we are going to be using the opposite, so we take the O, and we're going to be using the adjacent, so we take the A. And the only one with 2 ticks is toa, which means the ratio, the trigonometric ratio we're going to be using is tan theta is going to equal the opposite over the adjacent. And we know that the opposite is 19, and we also know that the adjacent is 33. And now just to finish it off, to work out what theta is, we have to do the inverse tan of that fraction. And you can put that into your calculator and work out the answer. And that will give you an answer in degrees, and it asks in the question to round it to the nearest degree, so make sure that's given to the nearest whole number. So hopefully that will help you with question 1.